Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to download ldplayer on Windows or PC. So just go to the Google inside your browser. You can use Chrome browser or any other browser and just search here ldplayer and you will see this website. Basically ldplayer, just open the first website and as you can see, like, this is the ldplayer that we need to download, ldplayer 9. So this is basically the latest version of ldplayer, and once it is downloaded you can just simply install it. But let's say that you have a low-end PC or the low-end laptop, so you just need to go back and you can just search on Google ldplayer 5 download. And once you try this down, so you will see all versions available on Windows PC. Download all the versions. Let's say you want to download ldplayer 9, you want to download ldplayer 5, 64-bit, 32-bit, ldplayer 3, whichever fits for your laptop or PC. You can just download that version and just click on this and you will be able to install the ldplayer inside your laptop or PC. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.